Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something very special, which is the Sony ZV-E10 unboxing. So if you're into content creation, then this might be the perfect tool for you. Let's dive straight into the unboxing. Sony always does a fantastic job with their packaging. Now let's talk about what's inside. The Sony ZV-E10, it's known for its impressive features including the 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, the 4K video capability and a variable angle LCD screen, which is very perfect for vlogging or capturing those amazing moments. Now digging deeper, we have the manual, we have the cables, we have the dead cat for clear audio during outdoor shooting. We have the battery, although I intend to get a couple more batteries as backup. We also have the strap and of course the camera body. I prefer to go for only the camera body since I already have the power zoom lens. With that I'm able to save some money. My first impression, the ZV-E10 is very sizable, which makes it very portable for on-the-go content creation. It's comfortable in the hand and the build quality is great, especially for a budget camera. The variable angle screen is also a game changer for framing shots easily. So if you're just starting your content creation journey and would like to improve your video quality without robbing the bank, then I'll put the link in the description box if you want to purchase one. I'll be doing some settings, then we can pull the camera to test and take some sample shortage. Alright folks, that's a wrap on the unboxing of the Sony ZV-E10. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next future content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.